Here's how to fix missing Steam game icons. Right-click the game shortcut, select Properties, then Change Icon. Click Browse and navigate to This PC, then your C drive, then Program Files x86, then Steam, then Games, and select the matching icon file for your game. Click Open, then OK twice. If the icon is not in that folder, go to your Steam library, right-click the game, select Properties, then Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once verification completes, try the same change icon process again. If it is still missing, right-click the game, select Properties, then Change Icon. Click Browse and navigate directly to wherever your game is actually installed. For example, a separate drive under Steam Library, then Steam Apps, then Common, then the Games folder. Look for the actual application file, select it, and click Open, then OK twice to apply the correct icon. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.